Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a month or so ago, I let you guys know that Windows 11 may restart twice after applying Windows updates due to the new Secure Boot certificate installations that Microsoft has been pushing out, where the extra restart occurs after a Secure Boot certificate update is applied as part of the Secure Boot update process. I'll leave that video linked if you'd like more information. Now, in regards to updates restarting twice, from time to time in the comments, I do see the question getting asked, why is my computer restarting twice during the update process? Is there something wrong? Is this normal? And just to let you know that an additional restart does not necessarily mean that the update failed or encountered an error. Because Windows, when it's installing a large cumulative update, as an example, if we head into our Windows update on Windows 11, and we head to our update history, as in this month for the July Patch Tuesday update, it installed the Patch Tuesday update itself, and then the extra restart means it installs a separate .NET Framework security update, which is part of the inner workings of the Windows operating system, alongside the Patch Tuesday update. So basically what this means is that Windows Update can install several packages during a single update cycle. So as an example, you may get the Patch Tuesday update, you may get the .NET Framework, and you may even get a security intelligence update for Windows Defender, just to mention 3 examples. So it can install several packages during a single update cycle. But as mentioned, some components require separate restarts. So how it happens on my devices normally is when I'm downloading, as an example, my Patch Tuesday update for this month, it first of all restarts and installs the .NET Framework security update. That's normally how it happens on my devices. And then after that, when it's finished downloading the cumulative update, it'll restart again and install the Patch Tuesday security update. Now, although this is the case for large cumulative updates like Patch Tuesday, you shouldn't expect 2 restarts with every update. As an example, with the optional updates that roll out towards the end of the month, these normally, in most cases, do not have a .NET Framework security update attached, in most cases. So it'll only restart once, in most cases, unless obviously there's a security intelligence update or something like that that needs to be downloaded and installed as well. So just letting you guys know that you should allow Windows Update to complete both restart cycles without shutting down the computer or interrupting the installation thinking there's something wrong. That's just my advice. So I hope that clears up a little bit of confusion and brings a little bit more understanding. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.